Bitcoin Daily Analysis, July 16, 2026. As of July 16, 2026, Bitcoin continues to trade within a strong long-term bullish structure, although the daily chart suggests that the market is entering a phase where volatility could increase. After several days of higher highs and higher lows, buyers remain in control, but they are approaching an important resistance area where profit-taking may temporarily slow the rally. The overall trend remains positive because Bitcoin is still trading above its major moving averages, which indicates that institutional and long-term investors continue to favor buying on pullbacks rather than selling into strength. Trading volume has remained relatively healthy, showing that demand has not disappeared despite recent price fluctuations. On the daily time frame, momentum indicators such as the RSI are approaching overbought territory. This does not necessarily mean the market will reverse immediately, but it does suggest that traders should prepare for short-term corrections or periods of consolidation before another significant move higher. The MACD indicator continues to display bullish momentum, with the signal line remaining above the zero level. As long as this structure remains intact, the probability favors continuation of the broader uptrend rather than a major bearish reversal. From a price action perspective, Bitcoin is attempting to establish a new support zone after its recent advance. If buyers successfully defend this support, the next upward movement could target the next psychological resistance level. However, if sellers manage to push the price below the current support, a deeper retracement toward previous demand zones would become increasingly likely before buyers return. Market sentiment also remains generally optimistic. Institutional participation, continued interest in Bitcoin ETFs, and expectations surrounding future monetary policy continue to provide support for the long-term bullish outlook. Nevertheless, macroeconomic news, inflation data, and central bank announcements could create sudden volatility that temporarily disrupts the trend. For swing traders, patience remains important. Chasing strong green candles often increases risk, while waiting for healthy pullbacks toward support usually provides a better risk to reward ratio. Risk management should remain the priority regardless of market direction, because Bitcoin is famous for reminding overconfident traders that gravity still exists, even in crypto. Trading outlook primary bias. Bullish trend. Uptrend on the daily timeframe best strategy. Buy on pullbacks toward key support rather than buying after large breakout candles. Bullish scenario. Holding above support could lead to another leg higher and new local highs. Bearish scenario. Losing daily support could trigger a correction before the longer-term uptrend resumes. Conclusion. The daily chart continues to favor the bulls, but the market is approaching an area where increased volatility and temporary corrections are normal. As long as Bitcoin maintains its higher high and higher low structure, the overall outlook remains constructive, and pullbacks are more likely to be buying opportunities than signs of a long-term trend reversal.